All right, bro. We're gonna just unleash the Kraken. Unleash the Brabus coming soon to a YouTube channel near you. Know where to find me. In the G63. That was nice. Put you in flexion. Relax. Relax. Good. So breathe in. I'll explain later. Out. Good. Breathe in. Drop out. Let it go. Breathe in. Out. Because of his injury, we're not doing any side postures. So I like to flex and flatten this area so I could at least mobilize the upper lumbar vertebrae for him. What we're doing is more traction, axial, or neutral position type of adjustments so we don't put any unnecessary strain on that injured level. Just to explain, he has spondylolysis, so that means the vertebra compared to the one below has shifted so forward, which it's only possible if it breaks two bony structures on each side or one on each side to shift that forward. So even though it's been 2 decades and the body has stabilized with extra bone growth or scar tissue, we just don't want to risk aggravating it even more. So we're approaching it with more conservative and less twisting and type of adjustments for him, which has been giving him relief. So why change it if it's working? Okay. Good. If you like me explaining, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, like, hit that like button. Ooh. Computer job?
Yep.
Oh my God. There's 8 carpals, bro. Yeah, baby. Well, you came to the Unleasher. Let's do it. It's always good seeing you, bro. Good energy. Love it. All right. Always put the patient comfort first to just help give more relief to his low back. We're going to put the table in what is now a flexion position for him. It'll give some slight relief to that low back. Okay. Comfy?
Mm-hmm.
Perfect. Deep breath in. All the way out. You're doing great. Keep breathing. All the way out. Unleash the Kraken. Don't move.
Wow. I don't want to move.
Don't.
I can't.
We close at 7, so we got another hour.
All right. Good night.
Want me to sing you a lullaby?
Please.
I wish I could put you in 0 gravity.
Oh,
We can't do that.
Oh. I feel like I'm in 0 gravity right now.
That's what's up, baby. There we go.
Thank you.
We're not done.
Oh,
I have a seated position cervical adjustment.
wait. There's more.
There's more. That's right, baby. If you set it up properly, you could get multiple levels with contacting just one segment, which is usually what I get. Like here. Drop your left shoulder, unleash the Kraken. Drop it.
Wow.
Oh, well. Kobe!
Kobe!
Is it really a post if I don't show my socks? Well, we are gonna decorate the Christmas tree today, so I
It's
figured
only appropriate.
emoji. All right, happy holidays, everybody. Let's go. We miss you, Cobes. I know.
Thank you.
Okay, entre mal,
Thank you.
please.
Thank you. Wow.